Hey guys, in this video we will cover another objective for the MO-200 exam. Before we start, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content. And now let's begin. We will learn or revise functions count, count A, and count blank. So let's start with the first function count. Function count returns the number of cells that have a numerical value. So I have prepared some numbers and non-numerical values here. Let's start by writing the equal sign, count. So counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. Let's write parentheses and select our range, and the expected result is 4. So here, 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 and here. And we've got 4. Perfect. Now count A returns the number of cells in a cell range that are not empty. So in this case, in this cell range, we would expect the returned value to be 5 because 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So equals count A, parentheses, and let's choose our range. Perfect, 5. And the last one, count blank. I guess we can deduce it by its function name. So it counts all cells in a given cell range that are blank. In our case, it would be 2, this one and this one. So equals count blank, and lastly, count blank. We can probably deduce its functionality by this name. So it returns the number of cells in a given cell range that are blank. And in our case, we would expect the returned value to be 2. Okay? So equals count blank. Let's select our range, enter, and perfect. Yes, so that is all for today's video. I hope you find it useful. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.